Hi friends. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some shaving cream science. All you need is a glass. It can be a bowl, it can be a cup, anything that you have that you can use that you can see through. Because if you have something that you can't see through, then you can't really see the experiment as we do it. So when you have your glass or your bowl ready, you're gonna fill it almost all the way up with water. Don't fill it the whole way, just most of the way, because you need to save room for the shaving cream. So see, I did mine almost all the way. And now I'm gonna take my shaving cream, I'm gonna shake, 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 shake. And you're gonna just squeeze it on in there. And as you can see, it's gonna build up a little, so just be a little bit careful with how much you put in. And now we're gonna take food coloring. I'm gonna start with blue. And we're just gonna take a few drops. 1, 2, 3. And see what happens. You see? It moves it all around. So see, now I'm gonna put some red. And we'll look for the red. And it might take a while if you put a little bit too much shaving cream like I did. The food coloring is going to have to find its way down. But that's basically it. You're making a cloud and you're making the rain to go with it. See, my purple's making its way. And put some orange. Maybe see the orange coming down. And that's it. A nice fun rainy day science experiment. Yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. Some more blue here and some here. And I hope you guys have a lot of fun doing this. Have a great day.